Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by picking a wallpaper that fits your device. This is where quality matters. Select an image at native resolution or larger so scaling is minimal. Once done, confirm aspect ratio and crop to preserve important content. You should also check file type. PNG preserves detail for graphics, JPEG with high-quality works for photos. Make sure to name and store the file in an accessible folder so the next steps are fast and repeatable. Now apply the wallpaper through your system or launcher. You will choose positioning options, fill for full screen coverage, fit to avoid cropping, or center if you want borders. Pick what preserves subject and balance. Once applied, tweak display scaling and color profile so colors match intent. Some monitors need sRGB versus native for accurate tones. If you use multiple displays, assign per monitor images or scale individually. Make sure to finish by saving a final optimized copy and setting it as the active wallpaper. If you want rotation, schedule intervals or use a curated folder so images change without manual work. Once set, test on wake and log in to verify persistence. If you see blurring, edge artifacts, or unwanted crop, re-export from your editor at the exact screen resolution and reapply. That usually fixes scaling errors. If problems persist, try switching file format or disabling compositor effects as a last troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.